Hi, I'm Marr. I'm the author of Data-Driven HR, and one of the questions I get asked a lot is what does all this data, and especially how we now use data using things like artificial intelligence and machine learning, what does that mean for our jobs in the future? And it's something we're all grappling with. There are lots of statistics telling us that 47% of all jobs in the world today could be automated in the last 10 to 15 years. This is hugely frightening. So the question I get is, how do we prepare for this? What do you do? And the easy answer is, let's all get into coding. Let's focus on our STEM skills, which is science, technology, engineering, and math. This is definitely one element that we need to look at. There are definitely not enough data scientists and people that can do these jobs. But I think it would be a massive mistake to just focus on those, because I think what we also need is to balance them with the really true human skills that we have. Things like creativity, things like emotional intelligence, things like our thirst for learning and asking the right questions. And I think the people that will be hugely successful in the future are the ones that can balance those two skills, that have a generic understanding of what big data, blockchain, AI, machine learning, what all these technologies mean for business, but use them rather than being able to implement them. So there's a big difference between myself now going on and learning how to code in Python. This is interesting, would probably give me a great job now, but this world is also changing so rapidly. So what we actually need is we need people that are able to have this lifelong learning, this thirst for exploring new technologies and applying them in practice. And I currently don't see this. I don't see this in businesses, that we're creating enough emphasis on this lifelong learning, and I don't see this necessarily happening in schools. And this is one of the topics I'm exploring in the book, that we're looking at what does it mean for the skills, how can HR functions actually prepare their workforce for this actually super exciting future.